So then it says use a graphing utility, so you're going to use your calculator to find a cubic function of best fit. So we've got our data loaded, so it's stat, calculate, and now you notice I'm going to go down to 6. 6 is cubic regression. Choose that. Now the default on this calculator is L1 and L2. In other words, the X values are in L1, the Y values are in L2. And I just have to press enter. And there it is. Take it out to 3 decimal places if I have to write it down. And notice it's ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. And so we're going to get that y equals 0.015 x cubed minus 0.595 x squared plus 9.15 x plus 98.433. We have a correlation coefficient of the square root of 0.98732. I've got at least 19, and when I take the square root of r squared, the question ends up being, is it going to be more than 19? So let's take the square root of 0.98732. And notice I gained another 9. 364. So it's not a bad fit, right?
No.
Not a bad fit at all. By the way, it may not be good enough if this is what I'm going to use to make projections, but it might be good enough, depending on what we're going to do with it. Yes?
Wouldn't D be 0.984, or do you move the decimal?
Pardon me?
Wouldn't D be point?
No. D is 98.43277. I don't know what part E is, but it says that you can do it on your own if you wish. Now this is where you screwed up on your tests. And it says use the function found in part D to predict the cost of printing 22,000 textbooks. 22,000 means that X equals what? 22. Because X is in what units? Thousands. So that means that the cost is going to be, and I can put C for cost, is going to be 0.015 times 22 cubed minus 0.595 times 22 squared plus 9.15 times 22 plus 98.433. So 0.015 times 22, in fact, it doesn't, 6 and 1/2 dozen the other. 22 cubed minus 0.595 times 22 squared plus 9.15 times 22 plus 98.433 I come out with 171.5, what?
1,000 books, or
No.
I'm sorry, 1,000.
$1,000. And this should be thousand. I always write dollars instead, and that's my dollar sign is there, but 1,000. Because it is in thousands. So now you've got your first